What did we need to have? I came from big brands. I was used to marketing, brand and advertising. That was kind of my background. So suddenly I'm in a retailer and I realized pretty quickly it's all about the store. It's all about what they're buying. The decision cycle's really short. The risk is actually quite low. If I buy the wrong ketchup, it's not going to kill me. If I buy the wrong phone and sign up for 3 years, it might be a problem. Buy the wrong drug from the pharmaceutical company, it might be a big problem. So it's a very, very different world. And so market knowledge, brand tracking, etc., was what I was used to. We needed that. As a retailer, we also needed customer experience, but we didn't need a twice-a-year survey of whether customers were happy with us. We didn't need a survey that talked about our processes for the customer. We needed to be in stores every day and understanding what was going on with our customers. And by 2009, technology had gotten better, a lot better than 2000 in terms of doing that kind of thing. And we also needed shopper behaviour. We needed to know, using our point-of-sale data, using our market share, panel data, loyalty data, to really understand what they were buying. And what we did there was, how do we organise all of this? We modelled and measured the market. Those things are pretty traditional. We modelled the market in terms of driver models for why you would choose my supermarket over someone else's. We modelled every other supermarket in the market to know what attributes were driving that. We also modelled what made people satisfied in the supermarkets. That gave us the attributes that we would then measure. So we only measured what we knew mattered, and we refreshed that every year or so to make sure that what mattered hadn't changed or had changed. But the things that were really different, I think, about what we started to do here was integrated the data. So we took our brand tracking, we took our market share, we took our customer experience, and we put it together and integrated it. So the outcomes: exceptional customer engagement, 40,000 surveys a month in a country the size of Australia. Coles was $33 billion turnover, 750 store company. It wasn't a tiny company. But 40,000 surveys a month. So now I go into the trading meeting and people would say, blah, 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 blah. And I'd say, 40,000 people last month told us there's no bread in our stores after 4 o'clock. Very different response. The fact that we could actually say the customer is telling us availability is a big issue. But we also learned to talk in what I call Herald Sun tabloid headlines, which is really about telling the business one thing with a lot of good data behind it. Change is hard. It's difficult to do. The technology and the data are huge, exciting facilitators of the things that we can do, as was told yesterday, to make the impossible possible. But if you forget the human context, it's just not going to work.